All right, so you just got your car back from a body shop and you're like, hey, this is perfect, it's brand new paint. Well, I'm gonna tell you, most body shops don't finish off the paint and polishing as well as they should, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you're seeing here is a micro swirling, which is typically from a rotary and a heavy cut. It leaves its own swirls in the paint, and then after you're done, you need to polish it off. And almost every body shop, they don't do this, and it's because they need to get cars in and out, and in many cases, you can't even see it, depending upon the color, but I see it before I go to ceramic coat. So this is why you may want to opt for a polishing prior to ceramic coating, even if it's a brand new paint that has been cured the appropriate amount of time to allow it to off-gas. What you have here is some overspray that you can almost hear it on camera. Let's see if I get my microphone close enough for you to hear it. But it's a rough patch, and I can get it out with the polish. But again, this happens very frequently, but we're gonna correct it before we put ceramic coating on. All right, so you can see we cleaned this up. It was actually a lot of sanding marks and rotary micro marring, micro swirling rather. And the people in the comments are gonna say, well, you should just take it back to the body shop. But the reality is a lot of body shops don't have this kind of lighting. They don't have the time or always the equipment or training to finish it off. They're polishing your paint to an extent that it's smoother, but their ultimate goal is not to make it perfect all the time. And it's kind of like if you have a house built, they're gonna paint the walls for you, but they're probably always gonna be like a tan color. They may not even paint the walls in the garage. So you're gonna come into the garage, you're gonna paint those walls. You may, customize your house the way you like it with your own outlets and stuff. And so you're not gonna go back to the builder and say, repaint these walls a different color, unless of course it was in your contract. But the point I'm trying to make is they get you to a certain point, and you may need a professional to finish that off and get you to the finish line. And so for that, make sure you have your insurance company budget in money to pay a detailer to finish off the polish job.